What if one letter changed your entire life? What if your past was a lie? And what if powerful people were hunting you? Welcome to Quiet English Grammar Stories. In The Letter in the Rain, you will learn English through mystery, danger, secrets, and unforgettable endings. Every chapter teaches real English, easy grammar, new vocabulary, and powerful storytelling. Put on your headphones and enter the rain. The warehouse was silent after the explosion. Smoke filled the air like a heavy blanket. Daniel coughed and looked around. "Dad?" he shouted. No answer. "Mom?" Only the echo of his voice returned. The lights were gone. The enemies were gone. And so were his parents. Daniel stood still, trying to control his breathing. For the first time in this story, he was completely alone. He opened the notebook his father had given him. His hands were shaking. Inside, the pages were filled with names, numbers, and locations. But one page was different. It had a single sentence written in red ink. "If you are reading this, the truth has already started to destroy you." Daniel felt a cold pressure in his chest. Suddenly, his phone vibrated. Unknown number. A voice message started playing. It was his father. "Daniel, if you hear this, it means I did not survive the warehouse." Daniel's eyes widened. The voice continued. "Black in Black is not just an organization. It is a system built on fear, control, and silence." Daniel clenched his jaw. The voice paused. Then came the most dangerous part. "And the traitor is closer to you than you think." The message ended. Silence returned. But Daniel was no longer the same person who entered the warehouse. He had changed. Something inside him had awakened. Outside, a black helicopter appeared in the sky. Its searchlight swept across the harbor. Daniel quickly hid behind a metal container. Men were searching the area. They were not ordinary soldiers. They moved like professionals, fast, precise, cold. Daniel realized something important. Black in Black was not reacting. They were controlling everything, as if they already knew every move he would make. Suddenly, a memory flashed in his mind. His mother's hesitation, his father's warning, "Do not trust anyone." Daniel whispered to himself, "Someone is lying." He looked at the notebook again. One name was highlighted, not in red, not in black, but in a different handwriting, his mother's handwriting. Daniel froze. "No, that's impossible." The sound of footsteps echoed behind him, slow, calm, familiar. Daniel turned around slowly. His mother was standing there, wet from the rain, watching him. But something was different. Her eyes were not the same. They were colder, stronger, unreadable. "Daniel," she said softly. He stepped back. "Where is my father?" he asked. She did not answer immediately. Instead, she looked at the notebook in his hand. "You shouldn't have opened that page." Daniel's heart began to race. "Are you the traitor?" A long silence followed. Then she said something that broke everything he believed. "I am the one who started all of this." Daniel felt like the ground disappeared under him. "You? What?" She took a step closer. "I created the first files that exposed Black in Black.
I helped build the system, and I tried to destroy it from inside." Daniel shook his head. "No, you're lying." But her expression did not change. Then she added, "And your father was not the hero you think he was." Before Daniel could respond, a red laser dot appeared on his chest. From the darkness of the harbor, a sniper had him in sight, and his mother whispered, "Now you understand why I told you not to trust anyone." Was she saving him, or was she the greatest danger of all?
Now, let's learn 5 useful words from this chapter. For each word, I will explain its meaning in simple English and give you an example sentence to show you how it is used in real life. Learning vocabulary through stories is one of the best ways to remember new words because you see them in context, not as isolated words. My advice is to write each new word in a notebook, create your own example sentence, and review the words regularly. Before you continue, I have a challenge for you. Don't just watch this story, be part of it. Answer the questions below in the comments. Every answer helps you think in English, write in English, and improve your grammar naturally. There are no perfect learners, only learners who keep practicing. So, write your answers, share your ideas, and let's learn English together, one chapter at a time. Now, it's your turn. Let's see your answers. Thank you for joining me on Quiet English Grammar Stories channel. I hope you enjoyed today's story and learned some new English words and grammar in a natural and relaxing way. Remember, the best way to improve your English is to listen every day, learn a little at a time, and enjoy the process. If you liked this story, don't forget to subscribe to Quiet English Grammar Stories channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a new chapter. Keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and little by little, your English will become stronger and more natural. See you